Hi again. Good to be back. In this particular vlog, we're going to show you another boat. What's really nice and striking. Our friends, Kenton and Linda and her daughter Philippa, were actually in the marina when we arrived. So I thought this was a good opportunity to show you something really special. As you all know, I like the modern engine and all that comes with it, you know, the quietness and all that, but not everybody's like that, and that's fair enough. And I thought this is a great opportunity, so Kenton very kindly gave us permission to do a little bit of filming with him, and it just shows how stunning it is. And I think it'd be nice for you to see this and see something a little bit different than what I normally deal with. So we'll get on with it. That's the old type speed wheels as well for the gears and that. We just loop. Like mine's a nice conventional easy gearbox, but this is one what for the traditionalist set. So it's really nice, and that's an original restored Epping stove as well. You can't get hold of them now. And also these are all set up in the old ways where it comes down. Same with these. It's as close as you can get to an authentic boatman's cabin, and it's certainly an authentic engine without a shadow of a doubt. And later I'll just ask Kenton, our friend, I'll just ask him, he'll know a bit more history about this engine, I think. So we're on Kenton's boat. Like I say, it's a modern, well-built boat from Steve Hudson, but it's got a very nice traditional engine in, and I'll just ask Kenton to just explain a little bit about it, about the year and that, because I have no idea with this, like I've told you before. So it's over to Kenton.
Hello there, this is a Lister JP3. It's got 3 cylinders. It was built in 1942 to run a World War II spotlight and radar station for the war, and then after the war it went off to a farm to be a generator, and then Steve Hudson used to buy them up, bring them back, strip them down, put an electric starter motor on, brass them up a little bit, flywheel on, and just recondition them and stick them on the boats. It's still got all the low compression buttons on, the side of the engine, when it used to be hand start, but you don't need those on anymore. And if you're running on rivers and things like that and want to open the cylinders up, all the cylinders and things will open up. Again, on the canals you don't need those. The day tank, pump the petrol up at the start of the day up to a day tank, and it's just gravity fed down, so there's no fuel pumps or anything like that. It's all gravity fed. The only filter that's on the whole of the engine, there's no oil filter or anything like that, the only filter on the whole of the engine is a fuel filter down there, that just a last filter before it runs into the engine. So they're over-engineered Listers, but they should last for another 70 years hopefully, but not too much going wrong.
Right, okay, well that's great that, Kenton. So as you know, in my vlogs I've been saying that I'm the modern engine enthusiast because I know a bit about them, but I do really like these older engines like this, I said, but it's for certain other type of people who've got an enthusiastic side to things. Like I say, I've been the modern boater, but it's absolutely beautiful, and I don't think you'll get much better than this one. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Well, we like it.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that one, and like promised, it's again something a little bit different in our videos, what you've seen, and I hope you've liked it. So we've looked at the engine of this particular boat what Steve Hudson built, which is really looks authentic, and it's like I say, it's from 1940s. I just want to show you the front of the boat now. This is a bit more unusual than normal for Steve Hudson. It's got a tug deck on the front, which looks really nice, and similar to us as well, they've got a nice brass lamp as well. Not your cheap brass. This is your quality brass lights, and it suits the tug deck tremendously. So we'll have a look. As you can see, it's a lot longer at the front, and it can be used. It's nice for sitting on as well. And if you look at this traditional writing as well, this traditional painting, it's different than the type we have, roses and castles. But this is more traditional with the tug style boat. Also, the paintwork is superb as well. But that's one of Hudson's things, that his paintwork was top class. And you'll also notice with these that they've got the hatch at the front here, what opens back so you can get out nice and easily when you're climbing onto the tug deck. So that's something slightly different than what I've been showing you. But it just shows that when Steve was building, he built a quality boat, but he did a vast array of different types.